Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another unboxing, a new limited edition box from Lookfantastic. And this box looks like this. It's a pretty big red box. This is called Chinese New Year limited edition beauty box from Lookfantastic. Looks like this. I don't know how to read Chinese, so don't ask me what's on the packaging. But anyway, let me tell you something about this box first. It says here, celebrate the year of the pig with our Chinese New Year limited edition beauty box. The Chinese New Year beauty box is finally here, offering 8 different hero skincare and cosmetic products, perfect for gifting and trying out the best-selling products we've always wanted. The box is really heavy. The print is beautiful, of course, red with gold. Let me take the lid off. It says something here, but all I can read is 2019. Here is the card from this for this box, and it doesn't help me too much because everything is in Chinese here. But I opened their website and I can tell you more details about. Anyway, this box, and here is the box. It's full with products and it's quite heavy. This box is $103. When I got this box, there was a coupon, and I will leave it on the screen, Fantastic 20 I believe, and I got 20% off. Also, I see now on their website they added a free gift if you buy this box in with a value of $70. That offer wasn't available when I got the kit. And let me tell you what's in the gift. I cannot see it here, but anyway, there are 6 products actually in the free gift with a value of $70. So right now the box is still available. You get skincare and makeup in that free gift, which is not bad at all, plus this box, which I think it's well worth it. But let's go ahead and see what we have in here. We have a red paper, of course, with the Lookfantastic sticker, and of course one, not just one, couple of my favorite brands are in here. And here is the box inside. And let's pick up the products. The first thing is one of my favorite brands is the Omorok Visa. I never knew how to pronounce this one. This is oxygen booster in 0.5 fluid ounce, 15 milliliters, which I believe it's a full size. And I will tell you about this one. Here is the packaging. Great packaging from it's from glass as usually. The packaging is it's nice. It's a high-end brand. Expensive. I never buy the full sizes because I get them in limited edition boxes where it's well worth it to buy. About this one, was this one, breathe new life into tired skin with this revitalizing boost of liquid oxygen in the form of a cooling and soothing gel. This infuses the skin with oxygen molecules, leaving skin nourished and hydrated, leaving skin smooth and plump. The oxygen booster resurfaces wrinkles and smooths the skin. So it's not bad, the size. Then we have in here a Grow Gorgeous product, back into the roots, 10 minutes stimulating scalp mask, another full-size product. And speaking about Grow Gorgeous, if you got the advent calendar, for sure you got a product from this brand. I saw this brand and I got an offer from Ipsy with from Grow Gorgeous. They have the offer is pretty nice as price, pretty good. They have a full-size shampoo, a full-size conditioner, and one more product, just because I saw the brand. But anyway, here is the product. It's a plastic jar, a full size, and comes with this cap. that you can attach here and use it. I never used this product. I used something different from them, and I'm using right now a treatment for split ends from them. But about this one, give your looks a boost with this stimulating mask, ideal for flat or lifeless hair. This cooling and ultra stimulating mask contains volume boosting vitamins, hyaluronic acid and caffeine to improve circulation, invigorate your scalp and enjoy your new big and bouncy hair. So another full size in here. Then we have a product from Oskia. This is Oskia Renaissance Cleansing Gel in 35 milliliters. I just put on my makeup table the Renaissance mask from them to use it tonight. So here comes the cleanser. Is this guy right here. About this one, also this mask comes in 240 milliliters, and the Omorog Visa one 15 milliliters. So about the Oskia Renaissance Cleansing Gel, puffy and cleans the skin, purify. I was reading down below about this one. Purify and cleans the skin with this lightly scented rose gel cleanser. Contains vitamin C and E as well as fruit enzymes. This non-foaming cleanser leaves the complexion soft and radiant. Deeply hydrating, this gel to oil cleanser will leave skin balanced and feeling clean. So a great brand. All of them are high-end brands in the box. Then we have another item very well known to us from the Lookfantastic boxes. Is the Ila Masqua blusher in Katie, in the shade Katie, 4 grams. Create a healthy looking complexion with a flash of color from this Ila Masqua powder blusher. A buildable neutral shade of pink, this blusher adds a wash of color, helping to awaken the face. Use a damp brush for a more intense color pop. So this is to me a full size. Looks like this. A little bit dust on this one, but so far it's intact. So here is the shade of this one. I will try to swatch this one. It's a pretty basic pink, but quite pigmented. To me it looks very pigmented. If you use this one with a wet brush, that's gonna be a lot of color there, I think. So Ila Masqua. Then we have Madara SOS Instant Moisture and Radiance Hydra Mask in 60 milliliters. I believe this one came in an advent calendar or something from them anyway. Deeply hydrate dry skin with this intensely moisturizing mask, designed to provide immediate comfort to dull and tired skin. This mask visibly reduces and tight or luster skin, containing a blend of hyaluronic acid and moisturizing sugars. This mask creates a protective barrier that prevents further dehydration. So to me looks like a full-size mask. Then we have a product from Kerastase, and this is Kerastase Reflection Bane Chromatic Shampoo in 80 milliliters. I believe this is a deluxe sample. About this one, designed to revive color-treated hair, this shampoo gently cleanses hair to protect and maintain colored hair. This nourishing shampoo utilizes system capture advanced to neutralize environmental aggressors, preventing colored hair from fading, leaving hair soft and supple. Enjoy reflective hair with vibrant shine. Kerastase, it's not cheap at all also. And we have one more product in here, actually 2 more products, and that's why I'm saying this is well worth it. This is Erno Laszlo Hydrate and Nourish. It's a night cream, 15 milliliters. Sealing in moisture levels, this night cream boosts a light and non-greasy formula that leaves skin plump and repaired. Enriched with emollients that bind moisture to the skin, this cream has a pH level that maintains fatty acids levels in the skin. So a full size night cream. I think this one came in an advent calendar too. Is this one or in another limited edition box, because it looks very familiar to me. And the last item in the box, it's Omorok Visa, another product from Omorok Visa. Is the balancing moisturizer in 30 milliliters, which is this one. Promoting a smooth, healthy looking complexion, the moisturizer absorbs quickly into skin. It strikes the perfect balance between hydration and sebum regulation to control shine and prevent blemishes. This one comes with 30 milliliters and comes with a pump too, in a glass jar. So that's all in this box. So far I think it's a well worth it box. High-end brands in here. Love Omorok Visa for a long time, and I came across with them I think in a Cold Beauty, with the Cold Beauty or the Lookfantastic, one of them, but it's a great high-end brand. Omorok Visa, we have two products from them. Actually two creams, I believe is the booster. Actually it's a gel, probably this is a serum, and a cream. We have the night cream from Erno Laszlo. We have a blush from Damasqua. This face mask from SOS. This Grow Gorgeous Back into the Roots. It's a scalp mask, a hair mask. Also the Woskia cleansing gel and the Kerastase shampoo. So I think it's not bad to get all those products, and if you get the box now, you get also those 6 products as a free gift. I will leave the code on the screen. Also try Fantastic 20 to see if you can get those 20% off. Will be great, because I paid for mine, and I think shipping is free. I'm not so sure. I think I paid for mine 78 or something like that. Also, if you have credit from Lookfantastic or from Glassybox, link those two accounts. If you have a Glassybox account, link it with Lookfantastic, and you can use the credit from either website to buy from, even Lookfantastic or from Glassybox. So that's kind of all for this unboxing. I will leave the links down below. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for your comments in advance, because I always love to talk with you. I will see you guys soon with another video. You have an amazing day. Bye bye.